Okay guys, today is August the 27th, Friday. This is my shop update. As you can see, this is finished. That video was out last week. Few of you watched it and the rest of you needs to. But this week in the shop has been quiet. I am making a switch from SketchUp to Fusion 360. And if any of you guys have made that switch before, let me know in the comments, because Fusion 360 is way more difficult than SketchUp is. SketchUp was just a few hours and I was off and running, and Fusion 360 is a little different. But I've also started, got my website, and my wife and I are working our way through it. It'll probably be live next week. We'll probably finish it up this weekend and get it next week. But the shop, all of this worked out extremely well. It's nice and neat and clean. It's the only part of my shop that is nice, neat, and clean. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for next week. I'm probably going to finish my planer stand, or I've got something that I saw on YouTube for my table saw for the dust collection. So I'll have to make that decision soon, because I'll have to shoot that this weekend. Let me know in the comments below which one that you would rather see. And also, I want to give away some plants. So what I've decided to do is, if you leave a comment, whatever the comment is, I'm going to have my wife choose whatever the best comment is. And whoever wins next time, the next shop update in 2 weeks, I'll let you guys know, and you can email me and I'll email you any plans that I've got. You can just check out my Etsy store. That's Corner Creek Woodwork, and just let me know which one you want and I'll email you any one of those. But that's pretty much it. Doing lots and lots of computer work. I'll continue to do so, well, at least tonight. Got to build this, do whatever I'm going to do in here to finish this off. Okay guys, so until next week, thanks for watching, and click on one of these videos here. Thank you.
Yeah.